Hey, yeah? Should we read another story tonight from the Animal Storybook? There's lots of fun stories in here, aren't there? So, what shall we see? Oh, my favourite game, hide and seek. Here we go. The story of hide and seek. And it's about ladybirds. Here we go. Hope you're nice and cosy and tucked in and nice and comfortable. Once upon a time, there were little bugs. All these little bugs were called Una, Chula, Trina, Forster, Quentin, Cicely, Septimus, Otto, Nina, and Declan. So here we are. We've got all the little bugs. We've got one. Here we are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 little bugs. They live with their mother in a beautiful garden. One day, the mother bug said to her little one, "Sweethearts, I must fly off and see how the roses at the other end of the garden are doing. You 10 stay right here under this leaf. I won't be long." So mummy bug going to check on the rose flowers to see how they're growing. The little bugs hadn't been sitting still for long before it started to rain. Oh no. Water dripped from their leaf and fell, blosh, splash, blosh, splash, on the ground. When it stopped at last, the sun came out. The whole garden glittered with jewel-like raindrops. Can you imagine the whole garden looking like treasure, like jewels everywhere? Can you see here the garden looking beautiful, isn't it, with all those beautiful flowers, yellow and blue and red flowers. Wow. It looks lovely, gasped Una. Let's go and explore. Without thinking for a minute about what their mother had said, the naughty little bugs set off. I wonder what happened next. Some liked yellow flowers best and jumped onto their sunshiny petals. Others headed for blue flowers, sparkling and nodded. Otto spotted some bright red dahlias and could hardly be seen, as she was red too. The bug is the same colour as the red flower, the red dahlia flower. Two little bugs had fun sliding down the daylily leaves. That looks fun, doesn't it? You can see here, they're all sliding down the daylily leaves, having lots of fun. And can you see closely? Some of them might be hiding too in the flowers, or they might be the same colour of the flowers. Camouflage to the same colour of the flower. When their mother came back a few minutes later, she was horrified to find her babies gone. Oh no, where are they all gone? She guessed what had happened, but she knew that she had to find her little one quickly before a hungry bird spotted them. It will take me ages to find them all among the flowers, she sighed. Oh no, I hardly know where to start. Do you think you could help her? Oh, can you see? Can you see the little bugs hiding in the flower? Can you see and spot them? Look. One there. One here. One on top of the purple flower. One here on top of the spade with the little snail on top there. And there's a bee going bee all around. The last little bug of all was the hardest to find. At last, the adventurer was found under an upturned flower pot. Oh dear, playing hide and seek. Can you work out which one that was? Ooh. So over here, we've got an upturned flower pot over here. And can you see? I think it might be this one here. Or maybe this one. Down here. Yeah, clever cheeky bugs, aren't they? Playing hide and seek and going off for all sorts of adventures. And that is the end of that story. Until next time, love you. Bye.